Okay.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today, we are with Mr. Bertrand from France Octopus Company. He is the president, and he will tell us regarding the artificial intelligence report, first time in the poultry history that the new invention of robot, and it will make a big role in the production, in the bird welfares and lot blah 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 blah, and that will tell you Mr. Bertrand. Welcome, Mr. Bertrand. Welcome from France.
Yes, thank you. Thank
Please
you.
introduce yourself and let us know about your product, new product.
Okay, our products. My name is it's Bertrand Vergne. I'm the president of Octopus Biosafety in France. Our job is to develop the solution for farmers for the poultry market based on robots and artificial intelligence. This is our job. So we produce this robot mainly to treat the litter, thanks to a scarifier, and to treat litters and birds with a solution. We have a nebulizer inside the robot to atomize, for example, essential oils or another solution to treat everything. In addition, this robot, we have sensor directly on this robot, and we can follow the temperature, the ammonia and humidity just near the chicken. Because right now we have sometimes one or two sensors in the building, but it's not possible. It's not possible to understand specific parameters just near the door, the wall, in the middle of this building. And it's if you want to increase the production, the productivity, it's very important to understand everything. That's why with this robot, because we have sensor on this robot, we can follow, we can analyze parameters in real time and everywhere in this building. So we have lots of data. We have also a camera, so we can analyze videos of chicken. We can follow animals, analyze for density, mobility, everything to understand animals' welfare. With lots of data, we send all information to a cloud, and we have algorithm based on artificial intelligence to provide new parameters to increase quality and the production. So our system is very new. We have four patents, and we have an exclusivity of this kind of technology on the market. But what is important is that we introduce robot and artificial intelligence on the poultry market. This is the first time. So, and we have a very, very good results in France with the first installation. Okay.
Okay. Now you will start the presentation also.
Sorry?
You have some presentation?
I have a presentation, yeah.
So I have some questions regarding your these products. So you will start, now you told me that you started from 2018.
Yes. No, to be clear, we start in 2016. and we launched the first robots into buildings in 2018.
Right.
So 4 years ago.
And you sold that robot to poultry. That robots are working in broiler farms or breeder or layer farms. What kind of farms they are working? Only broiler farms?
No. Well farms productivity. So we know that if we increase welfare, we increase productivity because we have a relation between both. So we are working on productivity and welfare.
Right.
Because the final target is productivity.
And who is your old customer from 1 year for 2 years? Who is your old customer from 2, 3 years? How long?
It's 3 years. 3 years. 3 years, and we have a fantastic. Yes, we have fantastic results. For example, we have the last. You have a tax according quantity of pododermatitis. It pay a tax of 40 euros per ton.
Right.
40 euros per ton. With our robot, you expect to decrease to 5% of pododermatitis. So it can increase the production by 40 euros per batch per square meter. Per ton, sorry. Yeah. So it's a new generation of